channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, I'm really excited because I'm going to be sharing with you my top 3 favorite mini bags that I currently own. I am a firm believer that if you're going to have a mini bag, you want it to be functional. In other words, yes, it's cute to have a small bag, but is it going to fit your essentials? What's the point of having a handbag if it's not going to fit your essentials? And I think I picked out 3 pretty good bags from my collection that I'm really excited to share with you. So if you're on the hunt for a mini bag, I would say definitely go for one of these. Now, of course, I do have to caveat this by saying there are a couple bags out there that are mini bags that I do have my eye on, but because I don't own them in my collection, I can't really vouch for them. So these are 3 mini bags that I do own that I really can vouch for. So I wanted to share them with you today. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna tell you my 3 favorite bags. I'm gonna show you what fits. I'm gonna show you ways to wear, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about each bag. And I do have to say, I am really excited to share that all of these luxury bags are under $1,200. So not only are these cute and mini, but they're also super functional and they fit a ton, and I cannot wait to share it with you. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And if you want to hear what my top 3 mini bags are in my collection, then keep watching. Okay, I was not going to rank the bags, but I think I am going to rank them because that will make it a little more fun. So let's start with number 3, my 3rd favorite mini bag. My 3rd favorite mini bag has to be this little cutie right here. This is the Gucci Super Mini Marmont with the chevron leather and the gold tone hardware. This is the cutest little bag. I have it in black, but it comes in nude, it comes in pink, it comes in red. You guys might recall I love this bag so much that I was considering getting it in a pink, but this is just the cutest little thing. And on the back it has the cutest little heart. But the reason this bag is so good is because it can fit a ton, you guys. And once I get to that portion of the video, you will see that you can definitely fit all of your essentials. This bag used to be $890 and they since have increased the price. So now it is $950, but it is still under the $1,000 mark. It is a cute little bag. So you're gonna get the GG gold tone hardware. The leather is very, very durable. I have had it for quite some time and I have not had to worry about any scratches or anything like that. The bag does not have feet, so it pops open like this. And it has this gold chain. Keep in mind the chain is not adjustable, however you can see it is removable. So in the event you decided that you didn't want to wear it over the shoulder, you could wear it as a cute little clutch. So you can see I went ahead and removed it, so if you can just hold it as a cute little clutch for going out. If you don't want to wear that, you can wear it as a crossbody bag, you can wear it as a long shoulder bag. This bag is so versatile, it really is. So it is a gold toned chain. The chain is not adjustable, so keep that in mind. That is one downfall, the fact that the chain is not adjustable, but I do feel like it falls at a pretty good length, and I am 5'3". Let me tell you the dimensions of the bag really quick. It is 6.5 inches in width, 4 inches in height, and then it is about 2 inches for a depth. So you open it up, it has the suede interior lining. It doesn't have a pocket, but it says Gucci made in Italy. But here's the really cool thing. There is a little keychain. So if you want, you can attach this bag to larger bags. I think this would be a good idea if you're traveling. Like let's say you're going to Las Vegas and you want to bring your Louis Vuitton Neverfull, but you know that once you get to Vegas, you don't want to carry your Neverfull around, so you could just hook this little bad boy to the exterior, to the strap of the bag. You put it on the inside, and it's so cute. I love the versatility of it, I really do. But the thing that's so great about this bag is it really does fit your essentials. It can fit your phone, it can fit a small wallet, a card holder, it can fit lipstick. So let's go ahead and let me show you what fits in this bag. as you saw, this bag fits quite a bit. You wouldn't expect it to fit so much because it is so mini, but I love the fact that it does fit a bunch because it makes it super functional. I love that you can wear it multiple ways. I love that you can wear it as a clutch, a long shoulder, you can wear it as a crossbody. This is a great bag. I absolutely love it, and if you're on the market for a mini bag, out of the three that I'm going to mention today, this is definitely the most affordable. Again, it comes in $950 and it comes in multiple colors. So if you're not someone that wants just a black handbag, again, they have a nude, they have a red, they have a pink, so many pretty colors. They also have some pastel colors. They have like a pretty green and a yellow, you name it, they make it in this color. And like I said, I love it so much that I am pretty much considering getting it in a different color, but that is why this one is number 3 on my list. Okay, the number 2 bag on my best mini bags list is going to have to be this little cutie right here. This is the Saint Laurent Mini Lou camera bag. You guys know how much I love my regular camera bag. And at the time, I had wanted a pop of red, and I believe I had already had the Gucci Super Mini. So I had heard a lot of good things about this one, and I'm so glad that I added it to my collection. So first, let me show you. It is just the most beautiful like lipstick red, and it's just a beautiful pop of color. I love to wear this with black, or I like to wear it with white. It just really pops. So you are going to get this calfskin leather, and the reason I like the calfskin leather, it is really, really durable. I swear I feel as though Saint Laurent leather is my absolute favorite because you really don't have to worry about wear and tear at all. You can see the bottom of the bag looks brand new. It has the beautiful gold hardware, which is nice and shiny, and it hasn't tarnished. This particular bag comes with a tassel. It also has a long chain with a leather strap at the top. Keep in mind this chain is not adjustable. Once again, I really wish they made these mini bags with adjustable straps. I will tell you, one of the negatives that I have found with this bag is the strap is a little short. It does get me a little higher than I would like. So if this bag were adjustable, it would be amazing, but that is the one downfall for me. A thing I really like, I like the fact that it does have a back pocket. However, I do want to point out, because I know people will ask, I have the iPhone XR and you can see it does not fit. So if you want to use this back pocket, I would recommend maybe slipping your ID in it or slipping like a card holder. A card holder would fit, but that's pretty much it. So it does have that pocket, and then the interior is a leather lining wipeable material, which is nice. It has 3 card slots. So let's say you didn't want to bring a wallet, you just wanted to put your major credit cards in there. But once again, just like the Gucci Super Mini Marmont, the reason this bag is so good is because it fits a lot, you guys. And like I said, if you're going to have a mini bag, why not have a mini bag that is super cute and functional as well? So let's go ahead and let me show you what can fit in this little beauty. Okay guys, so just like the Super Mini Marmont, you see that this one fits quite a bit as well. This is a great bag. Let me go ahead and let me tell you the dimensions of it. This bag right here is 8 inches in length, 5.5 inches in height, and it's about 2.5 in depth. So let me show you kind of how it compares to the Gucci Super Mini. You can see it is a little longer. and it is a little bit wider, but pretty much the same. This one is just a little bit bigger. But again, I have nothing but good things to say about this bag. My only complaint is I do wish the strap was adjustable, but other than that, I love the durability of it, and I love the fact that it fits your essentials. Okay, let's move on to number one. And I know if you guys have been watching me for a long time, you know what my number one mini bag is. Come on, guys. I'll give you a second just to think about it, but I know you're gonna know. And the one that I am talking about is the Louis Vuitton. This is the Nano Speedy. I could not have been more excited to get my hands on this one. I do have to admit, for this one in particular, you guys are aware that I did end up paying a premium for it, so I paid a little more than retail, but at the time I wanted it so bad. But I have seen this bag pop up quite a bit lately, so if it is something that you are interested in, make sure to look on Instagram. Follow a lot of the sales associates who work at Louis Vuitton, because they're constantly posting stories, you know, about having availability for this bag. So if it's something you want, don't give up. But the retail price for this one is $1,180, so it is $10 cheaper than the YSL mini, but I love this bag. So first, let's kind of talk about it a little bit. Let me tell you the dimensions. So the dimensions of the bag, it is 6 inches in length, 4.3 inches in height, and it's about 3.5 inches in depth. It is just the cutest little thing, and you know that when I opened it, I just couldn't believe it. It is super cute, and at first I thought, what am I gonna do with this bag? You guys, this bag is not gonna fit anything. Look how tiny. Well, if you guys have followed me on Instagram, and if you watched my reels, you can see that this bag fits a ton, and that's why I love it so much. Actually, make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I have done reels on each of these bags kind of showing you what fits. But before we get into what fits in this one, let's get back to this. So it is the monogram canvas. So the beautiful thing about this, it is wipeable, which is great. It has vachetta, which is the one thing I was not a huge fan of. However, if you guys saw my video, I did spray this with the Apple Guard, which I got from Amazon, and so far so good. You can see that the vachetta still looks really nice and new. It has a vachetta strap as well. Keep in mind the strap is A, not removable, B, not adjustable. None of these straps are adjustable. The only one of these straps that's removable is actually the Gucci Super Mini. So that is one thing if I could change anything about these bags, they need to be adjustable. I'm telling you, because I feel like it'd be so much more appealing to so many more people if the straps were adjustable. But anyway, other than that, I really do still love it. It has the gold hardware, and you open it up, see the interior of the bag. It's kind of just like a little hole. But another thing about this bag, it is so lightweight. Like, I swear when I'm holding it right now, I don't even really feel like I have anything in my hand. Even when you put things in it, it's pretty lightweight as well. So talking about what fits, let's go ahead and let me show you what fits in this little cutie. So as you can see, this little Nano Speedy fits a ton, and it just absolutely blew me away with how much it fits, because it is so tiny and cute, and you just would not think that it would fit so much. But these are my top 3 mini bags. Now, I do want to caveat this by saying that I did used to own the Gucci, it was the Super Mini Dionysus bag. A lot of you contact me and you asked me about that. And I did end up selling that bag, and let me tell you why. It did not fit my cell phone. And for me, I have to have a mini bag that fits my cell phone. If it doesn't, it's just not worth it to me. That is just my personal preference. So that bag didn't work. However, I still do have the Gucci Dionysus bag on my wish list. I think that is a really cute bag, but I just think the mini was a little too small for me. And keep in mind too that I do not own the Chanel mini square. I'm sure if I own that bag, which I know you guys are tired of hearing me talk about that, I'm sure if I own that bag, that would be on my list as well. So hopefully someday. But before I leave you guys, I just want to kind of show you really quickly how these bags look next to each other. I'm just gonna kind of do an overlay so you guys can see that. So again, if I had to rank these, it would be the Gucci number 3, the YSL number 2, and then the Nano Speedy number 1. These are great bags. As I stated at the beginning of the video, if you're gonna have a mini bag, not only do you want it to be cute, but you want it to be functional too. And these bags are so functional for the main reason that they fit all of your essentials. And I love the fact that they're under $1,200. Now, the Nano Speedy obviously is going to be the hardest one to get, so definitely I would recommend keeping your eyes peeled on Instagram. I have a really good relationship with my sales associate at Louis Vuitton, so a lot of times if I have a picture of something, I can text it to him and I can say, hey, will this come in? And he'll usually let me know if it comes in or not. I will find these bags and I will link them down below. And I would love to know, please comment if you guys have a mini bag. What is your favorite? Like, these are my top 3, and like I said, I'm sure if I had that Chanel mini square, that would be on my list as well. But I would love to know, is there a mini bag out there that you just absolutely love? And if so, let me know, because I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. I'd love to have you join my little YouTube family, and make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. As I've been saying, I've been trying to do a lot of reels showing you what fits, showing you how to use certain things, and I feel like a lot of you have been reaching out to me, letting me know that it's really helpful. So if there's anything I can do to help you, that's what I'm here for. Thank you again for watching. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna